In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load snapshots into an existing GoHighLevel account. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel agency view, because this process starts from the agency dashboard, not from inside a single sub-account. First, head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the main starting screen for agency owners, and it gives you quick access to all the core areas of your account. If you're not already there, use the main navigation to find the Launchpad section. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts and click on it. This is where all of your client accounts or internal brands are listed. Think of this page as your directory of every account you manage inside GoHighLevel. Next, find the specific sub-account that you want to load a snapshot into and click on it. Take a moment here to double check you've chosen the correct account, because the changes you're about to make will apply only to this sub-account. Once you're inside that sub-account's detail area, look for the Actions button, usually located near the top right of the screen. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Load Snapshot. This tells GoHighLevel that you're about to import templates, automations, and other assets into this particular account. A new window will open. Here, click on the Choose a Snapshot drop-down. You'll see a list of all the snapshots that are available in your agency. These might be ones you've created yourself or ones you've purchased or imported. Click on the snapshot you want to use for the sub-account. After selecting the snapshot, click on Proceed. The system will now ask you which assets you want to push from that snapshot into the sub-account. This can include things like funnels, workflows, email templates, and more. Carefully click on the assets you want to push, then click Proceed again. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which existing assets you'd like to overwrite. This is important, because overwriting will replace what's currently in that sub-account. Select the items you're comfortable replacing, then click Proceed. To confirm that you understand these changes, you'll be asked to type the word Confirm in all caps. Type it exactly as shown, then click Proceed one final time. GoHighLevel will now begin loading the snapshot into your existing sub-account. Once it finishes,